May pretty adi size. Pink. Ito na may bulaklak na siya. Pero hindi ko siya nakita. Kaninang umaga to naging open. Ito na naman. But saan ba kayo pupunta? Yan.
Mama, may sogra.
Sune. Kagwapa. Oy. Kagwapa. Oy. Guapa. The flower ni gusto guapa. Achi. Hello. You're so pretty. Hello. So pretty. You're so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Pretty.
What is it?
The flower is pretty. Make me happy. Hello.
What is it? Hello?
Oishi? What the? Is done? Sugoi the tomato. Gabriel eat all.
What is it?
Guwapa na siya. Hamis na siya.
Is that leaf? It's
Yes,
Genki.
ne.
It's Genki.
Dako na kayo siya.
What?
Let's update my flowers here. Hindi siya labong na po siya. Mot siya tawagan ni Bara siya bambo. Nasa yung mga tunok-tunok diri oh. Tunok. Palmera.
Mama.
Mot na baka di unog na akong gabi. Char. Elephant ears.
Stop.
Ang tawag nga dito.
Elephant ears. Mama, I like you. I like Mama.
Arigato.
Your
Ito yung
flower.
ano namin, Daisy. Yung frog, isujichay. Same color talaga. No? Nasaan ba yun? Asa na? Ang hirap hanapin kasi kasing color ng bulaklak. Nasaan na? Ayun siya. So green. So camouflage. You not can realize that he is a frog. Oh, see? He is a frog. Hello, Froggy. You are hiding there, Froggy. Oh, you are the same color of my flower, Froggy. Uy.
See that green, eh?
The frog is gone na. It's there.
Look.
It's there. Tiyanan. Blurred yung ayan. Ayan si Froggy. It's there. Still chichay sa kudumo. Kudumo to ka.
Tuko.
Asuko kayo? Ayan. It's a baby ni. It's a baby frog. Kawaii.
Maybe his mom and papa is there in the food, isn't it?
Tabon ni.